This city is diseased. Every day there's another body on the street, another nameless person missing, and no one knows who killed them. Why are they doing this? Why am I still doing this? Why am I still trying to chase down criminals who don't want to show themselves in this goddamn city? Why am I wasting my life? Was it you who killed him? At least there's another criminal locked away now. That's one good thing that came out of today. But someone hired that guy to kill me. And if someone hired him to kill me, I'm the only hope the city has. I am its protector.